hopefully you have enjoyed that tour and the walk around of the Newark Bird Show. I apologise for not getting loads of clips from there, but I've hopefully given you a good variety and a bit of an idea of what's at these shows if you are interested in going to them. There was some fantastic quality birds. I can't tell you enough and emphasise enough that the quality of birds that were for sale there were unbelievable, some of them, you know, and I think it was a real credit to the breeders for obviously what they're breeding and these being the surplus stock. So if you did take birds to sell, especially some of the Norwich, for example, and some of the Siberian Goldies, absolutely fantastic, and I do recommend it if you do want to keep British birds in Norwich. There's a really good selection there, not only just those birds but all sorts of different species as well. And of course it was a busy day for me. We had a couple of birds being collected, of course, and we also had the new additions, which are always going to come from these shows. And speaking of the new additions, you might be able to see some of them behind me, but that will be in next week's episode on next Saturday. So if you are new around here and you'd like to see that episode and more videos from OC Avery, make sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss any of that. We are trying to hit 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year, so please do subscribe. And if you have enjoyed today's video as well, make sure to smash a like on it. It's very much appreciated. It helps more than you can imagine. And if you'd like to see more behind the scenes footage, photos, videos, all sorts of different things, then head over to our social media, Instagram and Facebook. The links are in the description to this video. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.